Hello friends, in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you how to fix your internet connection. But before getting started this video, make sure to subscribe. How to unmute it. So if you're facing internet connection problem, or if you connected with your Wi-Fi but here's no internet connection, the first thing you have to do, restart your device. You can restart your computer, and after restarting your computer, try to reconnect your Wi-Fi connection and hope your problem will fix. And if you're still facing problem, then open a browser and you can log in into your router admin section using this code. So I'm going to use these, and I'm going to my router admin section. So log in into your router and go to wireless, and from here make sure your wireless everything is perfect. Then go to network, and from here make sure here is everything is perfect. And if you're still facing the same problem, then open your CMD and open run as administrator, and type here ipconfig/flush DNS, then hit enter, and hope after the operation your network will be fixed. And if you are still facing the same problem, then you have to restart your modem. So restart your modem, and after that hope your problem will fix. So that's it for now. If you find this video helpful, make sure to subscribe. How to unmute it. Thanks for watching this video.